Going up.
Over here at the Casa Real, we have a Spencer that got modded by Montgomery with square button.
Elevator, where you at?
He's back here.
Can't see anything.
Something awesome modded with something awesome.
It's kind of hard to get a mod right, but maybe they did it.
The gate in this one might be automatic. Look at this panel.
Ooh, this is nice. Hold up. Wow. That's a large panel. This is definitely ADA compliant. All right, let's go to the lobby. There goes the gate. Okay, the drop is not as dramatic.
I think this one has some stuff replaced.
Sounds awesome. Are those like relays? What are those?
I think it's the hoistway switches. Kind of lights up.
I'm shocked.
Look at this cab. This cab.
See, this cab is awesome.
It is stunning. £580 capacity.
I don't think I've been in an elevator where they have 6 of these buttons. Or 7, I guess.
It's pretty rare to find a high-rise square button.
Yeah.
Hi.
Lobby?
Yeah.
Permit. Over here.
One more trip to 6.
Yeah.
How's the old door trim? I'll show that once we get outside.
Is the interlock covered up?
Yeah. I really like this mod.
Yeah, it's a great mod. I feel like usually mods are not the best. This does it.
I think the door equipment was just completely replaced.
Yeah, that door tray.
Let me get. Oh shoot! Someone's calling me. Level 1.
That's freaky, huh?
Oh my god! What happened to this?
What just happened?
Okay, I'm gonna take photos. I'm gonna. Yo, this thing is mad over level.
Yeah.
Okay, press 1 and see what it does.
Okay.
All right.
Here we go.
Yeah, it's still over level.